How to unsend all messages on Instagram at once. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can unsend all messages on Instagram at once. So here you can see that Instagram does not provide a built-in feature to unsend all messages at once. However, you can unsend messages manually. Here's the process how you can do that. First of all, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you have launched the Instagram message, you have to tap on the messenger icon which is on the top right corner of the screen to access your DMs. Once you are here, you have to select or open the conversation form which you want to unsend the message here. And once you are here on that conversation, you have to send your one message here like this. After sending that message, you have to long press on that message that you want to unsend, and here you can see the unsend option. You have to tap on the unsend option here. So this will remove the message from both of the recipient. So there is no any function of unsending all messages at once on the Instagram. So you have to long press on that, go for the unsend option here. So if you have a lot of conversation, you can go for it here and long press on that chat and go for the delete option, and you will delete the entire conversation. So there is no any built-in feature of unsending all messages at once in your Instagram. So if Instagram update, they may introduce new feature in the future that allow built-in feature like unsending of message at once. So this video will help you how you can unsend message on Instagram. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.